Welcome to Metron's WaterScope Pro software. In this video, we'll show you how to use WaterScope's work order features. These let you create, assign, and manage work orders that your maintenance technicians can access using the WaterScope Field App on their cell phones or tablets. Let's begin by adding your field techs into WaterScope and giving them access to the WaterScope Field App. To do this, you must have utility admin rights or higher in WaterScope. Click on Settings in the main menu on the left. Click on Users. Click on Add User. Select the Utility Tech role. Now fill out the form with the details of the tech you're adding. If you want their email address to be used to log into the Field app, check the Email as Username box. Otherwise, enter a username for them. Their password will be sent to the email address you have entered. Importantly, check the Utility App Access button for any techs who will be using WaterScope Field App on their phone or tablet. Click Apply, and the tech has been added to your WaterScope account. Now you should direct your techs to install WaterScope Field App on their phones or tablets. It's available for free on the Apple and Android app stores. Now we can create installation or maintenance work orders for selected Metron meters. Go to the Account Lookup page. Here, we're looking at Metron's test data to avoid exposing customers' details. You might want to sort or filter the listed meters to bring certain conditions to the top, such as leaks or missing reads. Work orders can be created for any meter that has both an ID and an address. Create the work order by clicking on the plus icon at the right-hand end of the row. The buttons in the pop-up dialog let you create a work order for every valid meter on the current page of accounts, or just for the meter you selected. Clicking on All Valid Meters works well if you've already filtered the list as mentioned above, letting you quickly create work orders for multiple meters at once. It adds all the meters on the current page of the list as long as they have IDs and addresses. If you need to create many work orders at once, you can always increase the number of accounts per page. Here, we'll click on This Meter. The next dialog lets you select a reason for the work order, such as a leak or a manual meter read. You can add a note, and you can optionally assign it to a technician. Click Confirm to add the work order. All existing work orders are found in the Work Orders section, which is accessed from the main menu on the left of WaterScope. Work orders are categorized under Installation or Maintenance. Here is the work order we just added. In the Manage Work Order tab, existing work orders can be assigned to technicians or deleted. You can also create new work orders by clicking on Upload at the top. This lets you create multiple work orders for installations or maintenance tasks by filling out a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets or similar. To do this, download the template spreadsheet file by clicking on the link under the respective Upload button. Fill out the required fields and the optional fields if desired. For installations, the required fields are Address and Consumer ID. For maintenance, the required fields are Address, Consumer ID, and Meter ID. Note that to create manual meter reads, you need to enter Yes in the Manual Meter Read column. Save your file. Now upload it by clicking on Browse, locating your spreadsheet, and then clicking the Upload button. The work orders will be created. Here's the new work order we uploaded. Let's assign it to our tech. The open work orders that are assigned to a particular technician will appear in the WaterScope Field app when they log into it. When an installation work order is marked as completed in the WaterScope Field app, the consumer ID and the address will be automatically associated with that meter in WaterScope.